Okay, guys, so here I have two yucas, also known as cassava. I have some olive oil, I have some salt, garlic powder, and fresh garlic. So first we are going to get started with peeling our yuca, also known as cassava. We are cutting the ends of it, and then we are right through the middle. We are going to make a slit, a cut through the skin only, not through the cassava, but through the skin. So like that, with the tip of the knife, you are able to start lifting the skin up, just like as you could see me doing here. If it's your first time, take your time. You could also use a little a steak knife, one of those little steak knives. They are pointy as well, if you're not comfortable with a big knife. And you could start peeling away. Okay, so while we are learning how to peel a yuca, if you have not subscribed yet, guys, to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. That is notification button, which is going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get that front seat, guys. Also, if you are enjoying my recipe, go ahead and start sharing these videos with other people and share this recipe with other people. And also that like button, hit that like button for me, guys. And also, guys, I will appreciate you leaving some comments. And if you have any requests for any new recipes, let me know. Okay, as you can see, I check my comments. I love conversating with you guys. All right, so please feel free to leave me a comment and let's have a nice conversation. Okay, I appreciate that. So here I just finished peeling one yuca, which is also cassava, and we're doing the same thing. And sorry, guys, if my video for some reason, I don't know what's going on, I have to figure out, it's having like some freeze moment, and I really don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna have to really check into that. But here, as you can see, if you're not comfortable holding the yuca in your hand the whole time you're peeling it, just press it against that cutting board like I did, and just continue the peeling process, right? So here I'm cutting each yuca into 3 pieces. It all depends how long you want your yuca fries. All right. And we are going to boil this bad boy. Also, if you don't want them to go flying like they doing with me, you could always cut them in top of a kitchen towel. So like that, they don't roll around on you like that. All right, so here we are going to season the water with a little bit of salt and a little bit of garlic powder, and we are going to put this on the stove and let it boil. So while that is boiling, we are going to make a little garlic mojo sauce. So here I am peeling my garlic, adding a little bit of salt to the garlic. I had about, I don't know how many cloves, like 7 cloves. It all depends on the amount of yuca fries that you are making. I'm telling you, this garlic mojo thing, you can't have too many of it, okay? Because it's delicious. And it is so simple, guys. As you can see, it's literally like 4 ingredients. And you have a nice, tasty snack or side. You know, it's up to you how you want it. So here I have my fire on medium low, and I added some sauteed olive oil. But if you have, just the regular virgin one, you could just do the regular virgin one. And we're just gonna let this oil just heat up, and as soon as it heats up, see here, it's heating up. So now I removed it right away. As soon as I saw it started heating up, I removed it right away from the burner and put it to the side. So here I have my yuca. As you can see, been maybe 40 minutes. It all depends. Some yucas are more tender than others. But this one, I boil it like for 40 minutes. And now I'm going to start removing it one by one and putting it in a rack and let it cool off and drain off in that rack just like this, as you could see. So as soon as it cool off, now we are taking it to the cutting board and our oil is heating up, our frying oil, and I'm going to start cutting it into wedges. Now, this part is all preference up to you as well. You know how thick you want your fries or how thin you want your fries. This is all up to you, what you prefer. Okay, there is no right and wrong here, guys. Like I always tell you. Here I'm removing the stem from the middle. So make sure you always remove that stem. And I'm just cutting. So some of them I'm making them thicker and some of them thinner. It's all preference, guys. There's no right and wrong. The taste is going to be fabulous whichever way you do it. As you can see, it looks just like this, just like a potato wedge. Look at that. Just like that. And when I tell you this Yuca fries came out marvelous, okay, and delicious, I am not exaggerating. I couldn't stop eating them, but I had to stop because, you know, they are fried. I'm pretty sure you also able, if you have an air fryer, I'm pretty sure you're able to do it in the air fryer as well. If you you spray a little bit with the oil and put it in the air fryer, you should be fine as well. Because remember, we already boiled the yuca, and you don't boil it where it's so, where it's coming apart. Of course, as you could see, you want to leave it kind of firm, and it will continue to cook when you're frying it. So here I am checking, and I like mine's kind of little crispy. And again, it's all preference. If you like them less cooked than that, you take them out sooner. Me, I like them like that. Look at that color, like golden color right there. Guys, this stuff was delicious. And then I also decided, because I had it for some reason, I had taste for some cilantro. I said I'm gonna chop up some cilantro and add it to that garlic olive oil. I am so telling you, it was delicious. So here I'm adding my cilantro chopped up, and so preference you don't like cilantro, guys, just do the garlic with the olive oil and you're going to be just fine. All right. But if you want a little extra, that cilantro also take it up a notch. So here what I did, I added some cilantro and I added the extra virgin olive oil to it. And here I'm drizzling it with some of that, and I sprinkle a little bit of sea salt over it. Woo. And this is the final result, guys. And when I tell you it was delicious, okay? So here are the final yuca fries. Guys, give this recipe a thumbs up. Please let me know how your yuca fries came out. And I will see you in the next recipe. You have a wonderful day. Enjoy.